For the first time, Judge Tammy Kemp is also opening up about the moment that she gave former Dallas police officer Amber Guyger a hug and then gave her a Bible, all in the courtroom. Gilma Avalos joining us in the studio tonight. So she's responding to the attention that she's getting, not just locally, nationally, but even worldwide.
That's right, Doug. And we saw her both criticized and celebrated for her actions following the sentencing of Amber Guyger and this hug on the world stage. She's trying to stay away from all of that media coverage, but she is standing by the hug and the words that she exchanged with Guyger in the courtroom.
There were a lot of firsts in Judge Tammy Kemp's courtroom last week.
When Mr. Jean made the first request and followed it with please, my heart wanted to say yes, but my head was well aware of the sheriff's policies.
She's heard victims' loved ones offer kind words to defendants before, but this moment was a first for her.
Please.
But when he said please a second time, I could not refuse him.
Giving Botham Jean's brother Brant the okay to embrace Amber Guyger, the hug seen around the world. After embracing Jean's family herself, she hugged the defendant too.
Mr. Jean has forgiven you. Please forgive yourself.
And she's standing by that hug.
Ms. Guyger asked me for a hug, and I'm embarrassed to say that she had to ask me twice. I saw the change or deterioration in her throughout the process. And so I felt like I wanted to not lose Brent John's compassion.
What followed, giving Guyger her personal Bible, led to a formal complaint from the Secular Freedom from Religion Foundation, which accused her of proselytizing. She told her Steve Pickett,
I never asked Ms. Guyger to pray, and contrary to popular opinion, I did not pray with her. I had no role to represent the state during a victim impact moment.
Gilma Avalos, CBS 11 News.
And the judge says it was Guyger herself who brought up religion and told her that she didn't even have a Bible. That is when the judge volunteered her own Bible. She says that she does not believe her actions were inappropriate. Through an ethics commission, ultimately is going to have the final say in all of this. Amber Guyger, just for the record, is now in a Central Texas prison after her conviction and sentence last week. 10 years in prison, of course. This is her new inmate photo that we got from the Texas Department of Criminal Justice today. TDCJ transferred her from the Dallas County Jail to the Mountain View Unit prison, which is just west of Waco.